I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video for Tuesday, the 4th day of May, and we are getting set for the warmest weather so far this year, a little summer preview here in May. Let's peek out the window early this morning at the ridiculous hour of 5 o'clock. A little foggy down in Chilton County. That's our sky cam down in Clanton, looking at the Clanton City Hall. A bit of fog in downtown Birmingham showing up there. That's the view from the top of the Daniel building looking south. And up in Fayette County. That is downtown Fayette, where the sky is clear. Up on the water vapor satellite shot, actually have a pretty strong shortwave approaching the state, but the lack of moisture should prevent any issues with rain around here today. The better chance of rain will stay down there over the southeastern tip of the state. But you can clearly see where the clouds are located this morning. In fact, look at Birmingham, where they've got clear sky and 59. You go down to the Shelby County Airport, they've got some clouds, and accordingly, they're 8 degrees warmer there at 67. Montgomery at 66 with clouds, Alexander City at 68, but up to the north, it's clear, and you've got low 50s for Haleyville and Coleman. And so if you're south and east of Birmingham, you might see a few clouds around today, but to the north and west, should be bright and sunny. Raining as far north this morning as Stockton, Evergreen, Greenville, and Union Springs. So for folks south of Montgomery, they still could see some rain this morning. The really heavy stuff is pushed on to the south and east, but for the northern half of the state, we will be dry. Still some flash flood watches down in that rain area for parts of the Florida Panhandle, the southeastern corner of Alabama, and southwest Georgia. That's the Tallahassee National Weather Service County Warning Area. Convective outlooks today, slight risk way up north over Wisconsin. Boy, it must be getting close to summer when you see the outlooks go north like that. Tomorrow, slight risk again way up north. Indianapolis up to Cleveland and Detroit. And day 4, which is Friday, there is a risk of severe weather from Kentucky north to the eastern Great Lakes. And that system will likely bypass Alabama to the north. And look at that. No rain for the next 5 days. If this is right, this is the QPF chart valid through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. The heavy rain continues down south today. Places like Panama City and Valdosta and Charleston. But things are looking pretty quiet. Let's check the modeling. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today. Pretty strong vortex coming through. But again, the lack of moisture should mean no rain here. Maybe some clouds below Birmingham, but the rain, you have to go to Dothan to get into that. Dothan, far south Georgia. Upper 80s likely, by the way, today. And tomorrow, how about 90? Yeah, summer's getting close. Bright, sunny weather across much of the United States. Thursday, I see no change in the thickness value, so I don't think it cools down at all. We'll still say a high close to 90 with a sunny sky. And Friday, strong shortwave coming through the Great Lakes way north of here. Got that warm 588 ridge still kind of nosing in from the south, so all of the active weather with that feature will be up north, where there could be some strong storms and, yeah, some snow back in the cold air behind that thing over maybe parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin. And then Saturday, the trailing front from that surface low, which should be over Maine, will be passing through, but we think that will be inactive because of the lack of moisture. So, again, you might mention isolated showers late Friday night, early Saturday. I don't think anything serious happens for sure. And then Sunday, the front is going to begin to move back north as a warm front. And again, you see the little green spot there. So, again, you might consider mentioning an isolated shower Sunday, but I don't think it's a big deal at all. It will be cooler this weekend. High should be in the 70s. And then Monday of next week, you can see couple of strong short waves coming out of the west. The warm front is north of us, and it should be more humid Monday of next week, and we get back in the 80s. Very deep surface low on the lee of the Rockies in eastern Colorado. But look at Tuesday of next week. A week from today, that strong ridge is still in place here, and that shunts those short waves north of us, and accordingly, looks like that just was going to be warm and muggy and dry with all of the active weather well to the west and north. Let's check the end of the forecast at mid-month, May 19th. Now, this looks different. First time we've seen this, all of a sudden a trough over the east instead of the ridge. And if that's the case, it would be a little cooler, not really cool. And some evidence of tropical mischief there on the right part of the screen. Yeah, getting close to June the 1st here, so we'll have to keep an eye on things. You know, the Gulf SSTs have been pretty cool in the northern Gulf, but the rest of the Atlantic Basin is awfully warm, so this could be a kind of a shake-and-bake hurricane season, which is getting close. We'll see. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.